Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manu Issue ACCA classes. So in this video, we will be learning how to calculate employment income. Yeah, how to calculate employment income. So if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends. In case you have any doubt, do let me know. I will try my best to solve your queries and doubt. So basically, for calculation of the employment income, the first thing we have to think is we will simply net off the employment income less any expense incurred for the performance of the employment. Right. So now let's learn what will be the income and let's learn what will be the expense that will be deducted against the income. Okay, so basically I have just made this performer means in income it means earning plus benefit. Okay, so earning means I have written shortcut SCBBR for the shortcut to remember the what are the earning. So basically your earning includes salary, cash voucher, bonus, commission, statutory sick pay, statutory maternity pay, golden hallows means I think golden hallows is like something like some other employer will offer a good amount to come to their company, right? I think that golden hallow means that. And third party payment, let me search over the Google regarding this golden hello. Let me confirm. Mean that what I'm trying to say, golden hello means some new employer will offer you a huge amount so that you will be attracted to come to their company. And third party payment, golden handshake means like while leaving the company will pay you certain amount that you won't disclose any client information or anything to their competitors, right? So this is called golden handshake. So these are the earning that should be included while calculating the employment income. So you have to think about if the individual has received this kind of income, then it should be included under the employment income calculation. Other one is the benefit. Benefit will be like your cash benefit or non-cash benefit, like car benefit, or you are getting the loan one, van, fuel. These all will be considered here, and in the coming video we will be learning one by one how to calculate the same. Right. Now coming to the allowable deduction means I have made certain code TDES CE. Okay. Otherwise it won't required. You can remember by your own whatever shortcut you feel easy, right? Okay, so basically allowable expense here include your what the basic rule is that whatever the expense incurred for the wholly and exclusively for performance of the employment, that should be deductible, right? Like travel and subsistence, in case of any expense incurred for the travel and subsistence, that should be allowable deduction while calculating the employment income. And at the same time, if the travel and subsistence expense is related to the expense that you incurred to go for the office and office to home, that's so called commute work, I think that is not allowable. I think I'm not sure, I have to check it out, but I think that is not allowable. Let me check it out. Basically I have read somewhere this, I think. Yeah. Okay, relief is not given for the cost of journey that are ordinary commuting or for the cost of the private travels. Yeah, if you are incurring expense for going office and office to home and vice versa, in that case it won't be allowable, and any private expense, journey expense, that also may not be allowable, right? So basically I said that the rule is that if any expense is incurred wholly and exclusively for the business purpose, that is allowable, right? Okay, so donation means like charitable donation, or you have been contributed in your payroll deduction scheme, that is also allowable. Or there is subscription for the professional body, that is also allowable. Contribution in the occupational pension plan, I said in my previous video, OPS means that these are the pension plan run by employer for their employee, and if the employee is contributing in the same, it will be allowable expense, and if employer is contributing in the same plan, then it will be exempt for the employee, no tax have to pay. Okay, any expense incurred wholly and exclusively for the business purpose, again it is allowable. And if you are using your own car, in that case you can claim mileage, and that should also be allowable expense. So after doing this, you will be have something in hand, net income, that will be considered to the employment income, and that is kept under the non-saving head. You remember the first day class performer? Yes. So in this video we learn about the calculation, and in the coming up video we will be learning more rules and concept regarding the our employment income. So stay tuned with my channel.